And as this trial gets underway, we know there are a lot of faces and names in this case, and it can make it hard to follow along. So we compiled a who's who in this case as the trial begins. Our Shira Matsuzawa breaks that down for you as well.
We begin with Lori-Vallow-Trial, the woman at the center of the case. She's the mother of Rexburg kids J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, who went missing in September of 2019. Their remains were later found on the Idaho property of Lori's fifth and current husband, Chad Daybell. Chad and Lori are charged in the murder and conspiracy to commit murder in the deaths of Lori's two kids and Chad's late wife, Tammy Daybell. Tammy died in October of 2019. 2 months after Tammy's death,
911, where is your emergency?
Hi, I need an ambulance.
Lori's brother, Alex Cox, also died in December of 2019.
I have a older male here named Alex. He just passed out here on my bathroom.
Investigators say he died of natural causes, but the last time Tylee was seen alive was in Yellowstone with Alex. In July of 2019, 5 months before Alex died, police say he shot and killed Lori's fourth husband, Charles Vallow, in Chandler, Arizona.
And is he hurt or is he alive?
Yeah, there's blood. He's not moving.
At the time, Alex claimed self-defense, but a medical examiner later ruled Charles' death a homicide. Lori is accused of conspiracy to commit murder in Charles' death. Charles is Kay Woodcock's brother. She and her husband Larry are the grandparents of JJ. Kay's son is JJ's biological dad, but the Woodcocks took care of JJ for nearly a year before Charles and Lori adopted him, making the Woodcocks JJ's grandparents, as well as aunt and uncle. The Woodcocks first reported the children missing and ordered a welfare check when they couldn't get a hold of JJ. Around this time, Colby Ryan was also trying to get a hold of JJ and Tylee. He's the oldest son of Lori Vallow.
I love you guys so much. I care about you guys so much. I miss you.
During the welfare check, police say Lori told them JJ was with her friend Melanie Gibb in Arizona. Melanie was with Lori when she first met Chad in Utah in 2018.
He was teaching us about some of his understandings about multiple lives and things of that nature. But at that point, he had already shared with her when they met in St. George that they had been married multiple times before. Not in this, right now in this earth life, but in multiple earth lives.
In a previous life.
Mm-hmm.
But there's another Melanie connected to Lori, Melanie Boudreau, now Pulowski. She's Lori's niece. And in August of 2019, Lori, her niece Melanie, her brother Alex, and JJ and Tylee all moved from Arizona to Rexburg. Melanie was estranged from her husband Brandon Boudreau, and in early October of 2019,
911, where's your emergency?
Someone just shot my window.
Brandon says he was shot at in the driveway of his Gilbert, Arizona home. He says Alex was the shooter and was driving Charles Vallow's Jeep. At this time, Charles had already died. Court documents also indicate Alex attempted to shoot Tammy Daybell while she was in her driveway 10 days before her death. Alex also married Zulena Pastenes the following month in Las Vegas. He died 2 weeks later.
Yo, Alex. Alex. He's not breathing.
The next month, Lori was found in Hawaii with Chad Daybell.
The prosecution and defense are working this week to get their final 12 jurors and 6 alternates. Sitting on a jury is one of the highest duties of citizenship in our country and a crucial part of our judicial system.